In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place a limit order on Tradingview. A limit order lets you tell the platform the exact price where you are willing to buy or sell. It won't execute unless the market reaches that price, which gives you control over entries and exits and helps you avoid unexpected fills at worse prices. First, open the order panel. You can do this by clicking the Chart Trading button on your chart. If you prefer, you can also click the plus sign on the price axis and select Create New Order. Either route brings up the same ticket, so choose whichever feels faster while you are analyzing the chart. Once the ticket is open, switch the order type to Limit. By default, many tickets start on Market, which executes immediately at the current price. Changing it to Limit ensures your order only triggers at your chosen price level, not before. Now configure your key parameters. In the price field, enter the exact level you want. This should be the price where you are comfortable buying if you think the market will dip to you, or selling if you expect a bounce into resistance. Take a quick moment to confirm it matches the level you see on your chart. Even a small typo can place your order far away from where you intended. Next, set units or size. This is the quantity you plan to trade. Keep it aligned with your risk tolerance and account size. If you are unsure, consider starting smaller and scaling as you gain confidence with the process. Then choose the time and force. For a day order, the order will automatically expire at the end of the trading day if it isn't filled. If you select Good till Cancelled, the order will remain active until it's filled or you cancel it manually. Day is useful for intraday ideas, while GTC is better when you are waiting patiently for a higher probability level. If you want built-in risk management, enable the optional Take Profit or Stop Loss checkboxes. Set your target price for Take Profit to automatically close at a favorable level, and your stop loss at a price that limits downside if the market moves against you. This helps you plan the trade before you place it rather than reacting after the fact. When everything looks correct, order type set to Limit. Price, size, time and force, and any TP or SL levels, click the Buy Limit or Sell Limit button to confirm. You'll see the order appear on your chart at the price you specified, ready to execute if the market reaches it. That's it. Thanks for watching.